Hi everybody, and welcome to today's prefix lesson. Today we're going to be looking at the prefixes of IR and IL. So let's go ahead and start with IR. So how about the word irregular? Well, you can see the base word there, regular, right? What does regular mean? It means normal, what typically happens. But when we say irregular, today was an irregular day. We didn't have breakfast this morning. I had breakfast. I don't know. I'm having trouble. Today was an irregular day. We had indoor recess. Right? So irregular means not regular. How about this word? Irresponsible. So we can see the word responsible, right? What does that mean? Well, that means, you're trustworthy and you can be depended on to get something done. Okay? You are a responsible young child who will get all of their work done. Where an irresponsible means not responsible, not capable of being able to be depended on. Okay, so not wearing your seatbelt is an irresponsible thing to do, right? Okay, let's try another one. Here we have the word irreplaceable. So you can see this word replaceable. When we run out of paper, that's okay because it's replaceable. We can replace it with more paper. But irreplaceable is when something cannot be replaced. Like the necklace my mother gave me is irreplaceable because my mother gave it to me. I can't just simply go out and get another one because it's special to me because it was from my mother. Okay, so irreplaceable. So we see irregular, which means not typical, not regular. Irresponsible, which means a person who is not dependable, not responsible. And irreplaceable, which is something that cannot ever be replaced because it's too special. So we see not regular, not responsible, not replaceable. So IR, when it comes in front of a word, means not. So when you're going to have a prefix that's IR, it's always going to come before an R word. Okay, let's move on to IL. Okay, so moving on to the prefix of IL, let's take a look. Illegal. Illegal, so legal is something that follows the law. It is illegal to steal a car, all right? Just don't do it. It's not right, and it is against the law. So illegal. How about the word illegible? So legible means that you can read it. Okay, this old sign is very legible, meaning I can really read this old sign very easily. But illegible means that it cannot be read. This handwriting is illegible, meaning I cannot read this to save my life. And let's do one more. Okay. So illegitimate. That's a pretty big word, and it might be a word that you're not familiar with. Legitimate means something that is checked off A-OK for real, good to go, okay? Something legitimate is something that is proven and correct and stable. Illegitimate means not correct, not proven. It doesn't hold a candle to the truth. So illegitimate, you could think of, well, she is the illegitimate heir to the throne. Okay, she is not the legitimate, the actual for sure person to take over the throne as queen. Okay, so, or you could think of an illegitimate argument. If we were debating what was better, pepperoni pizza or sausage pizza, it would be an illegitimate argument to then say, no, cookies and cream ice cream is better. That's an illegitimate argument because it has nothing to do with what we're arguing about. We're arguing about which kind of pizza is better. Ice cream is not pizza, although it is equally as delicious in my humble opinion. So, not legal, not legible, not legitimate. IL means not, just like the first one, IR. And you also notice, same thing as the last, is that all of these start with L, okay? So when you're going to have the prefix ill, which meaning not, it's going to come before an L word, okay? All right, great. Well, thanks, everybody. Go ahead, see if you can find any more prefixes for IL or IR, and go ahead and put them in your word collection book. All right, friends. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Bye.